My face, it don't move.
Well, that's not funny because some people are born with this. Well, that's not funny.
My face.
Don't make fun of that.
My face.
Some
Can
people.
you put your head down? Put your head.
I can't. My head
Can
hurts.
put your head. What? You said your face.
Some people have this face disease where they can't move their face.
You said your face won't move?
No, Mom, that's not funny.
She said her face. It won't move.
I'm gonna tell you a funny joke.
Her face.
So.
It won't move. Her face. Her face. Her face. My daughter looks like she's so aggravated.
Cause you won't be quiet because I'm talking.
Oh my God. Let's hear Ari talk because her story is so interesting.
It is. Okay, so it's a joke. Okay, when you...
Oh, go ahead, finish talking.
You are.
She's trying to tell us a joke, y'all.
Yeah, I get my rudeness from my mom.
Okay, go ahead and talk. Go ahead, tell a joke. Tell a joke.
So I was swinging on the swing, basically. And we was in New York and we was swinging on the swing.
Oh. I'm sorry, that joke was so funny, I fell asleep.
When we were swinging, basically, what you call it when I'm gonna give a code name. N is my cousin, guys. We're just gonna her Clifford.
Let me move y'all closer so y'all can see what's going on. There you go.
It's cereal box. So cereal box was pushing on this swing.
I wish I had somebody do.
She pushed her.
Y'all, I want to get my hair braided. I want to get my hair braided, y'all. Like, I want to get my hair braided.
Cereal box was pushing her on the swing because the little kid had asked, and when he pushed her. She was mad at the cereal box. Was mad at the little kid. So when she pushed her, she flew off the swing.
Wow.
But this is a real life story.
I know. We just using cereal box just to cover people's names, true identities. Oh, that's the end of the story. That's the end of the joke.
She flew off the swing.
That's the end of the joke.
And whatchamacallit came running, and when she came running, the mom was mad at her. Cereal box got grounded. Her phone got taken away.
That's the end of the joke.
Even though she grown.
That's the end of the joke.
She got a whooping too.
That's the end of the joke.
And then
that's the end of the joke.
It's not funny. And then after that, she got thrown. Then they threw her off the swing. What she said.
They leaving because they like, this girl's so boring.
And when they threw her off the swing, she actually flew. Like, this swing is so dangerous, you can fly.
Oh, yeah.
You can become Superman. That's how dangerous the swing is.
I think about it every night and day.
Shh, shh. I'm about to get more views. Shh. You're annoying. Why you do that?
She said she's about to get more views. I'm like, let me see what she about to do. And I fell asleep. I'm just working about it.
I'm trying to get you more views.
I don't want more views.
They laugh.
I don't care.
How dare you?
You be caring about every day.
If COVID was a real person, we'd be fighting right now.
Sorry, y'all. Ari's a twitcher. When I do her hair, she twitches. She can't control it. It's okay. There's a lot of twitches out there. She got this twitching thing going on. It's okay. We are